Everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be discussing the news related to silver. So you can see, and let us have some basics about silver as a metal. So let us start with our discussion. According to news, in 2025 silver prices were 160% plus, and that of first week of 2026 also it saw a increase in that is more than 7%. The year of 2025 was also witnessed by record highs of gold prices. So you can see in 2025 and 2026 the prices of silver are rising. So let us see why are the prices rising. Before that, before that, remember that silver is an inherent physical has inherent physical properties. Its use in manufacturing of key components such as batteries, solar panels, jewelry, coins. It is also bedrock of demand for AI, that is artificial intelligence. So in November 2025, US added silver to its list of critical minerals. So by that the it now US has 60 in its critical minerals list. So now let us see why there is explosive rise in silver demand. So the key drivers are, so basically last year China imposed a 2-year restriction on its export controls on rare earth including silver. So it was going to be effective from January 2026. And on this news, CEO of Tesla, that is Elon Musk, warned that this is not good as silver is needed in many industrial processes. So he commented on this Chinese curbs. So in short, it was an industry alarm over supply risk. And one further news was that US also added silver in its critical list, which has now total 60 minerals. So which led to the peak stockpiling, that is 531 million. That is US silver inventory surged to 531 million in September last year. So which due to which there was a fear of tariff, and which led to heavy stockpiling. The basic concept is that when there is war or geopolitical tension, or there is some financial uncertainty in the market, then investor resort to this gold and silver as they find safe haven, or you can say they are more trustworthy towards this gold and silver. So they start stockpiling it, due to which the demand, or you can say the price gets risen. And the further factor for this explosive demand was that there was a supply gap. uh, in short, this concept is that if there is more demand but less supply, which creates a gap between both. As you can see, India mostly produces 700 to 800 tons of silver, but actually annually you need 5000 to 7000 tons of silver. So there is a mismatch between demand and supply, so which led to supply gap. And also silver mining as a byproduct cannot match surging industrial investment demand. And silver also has a variety of applications in industry, which leads to increasing in its industrial demand. So its application is in ornamental, that is used for making jewelries or coins. It is also used in electronics, you can say for solar panels, photovoltaic, renewable energy, then batteries for making batteries, then AI infrastructure, and also for AI revolution, that is for making smart grid infrastructure, data transmission. And one more thing, when there is stockpiling of this silver, it creates price rise. And there is also expectation that the interest rates of various countries or US Federal Reserves, Federal Bank, they'll charge higher interest rate. So investor mostly rush to gold or silver, they buy gold and silver. So this was all whole news about silver's reason for silver's explosive demand. Now let us see silver as a basic metal. Before that, further there was news that silver prices are projected to rise by nearly 20% in the coming months, amid sustained global supply deficit and strong industrial demand. So demand is going to increase, but the supply is going to supply is limited, or you can say there is supply deficit. So let us see silver as a basic metal. सो इसका सिंबल रहता है Ag, दैट इज़ 47, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है. सो इसका नेचर ये रहता है, इट्स अ प्रेशियस नोबल मेटल. इट हैज़ ब्राइट वाइट लस्टर, मतलब इसके यू रिमेंबर दैट चांदी की चमक रहती है, तो चमक इज कॉल्ड एज लस्टर. सो इसका डुअल रोल रहता है. इट हैज़ अ स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू and it is also used as critical industrial inputs. So it can be used as critical industrial inputs in electronics, solar panels, photovoltaics, renewable energy, then alloys, jewelry, solar cells, then precision instruments. And basic its characteristic is that it has high thermal and electrical conductivity among all the metals. इट इज़ ऑल्सो मेलिएबल, डक्टाइल, करोजन रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब जल्दी से ज़्यादा करोड नहीं होता. फिर बाद में इट कैन बी मेड इनटू थिन शीट्स ऑफ वायर्स. आफ्टर दिस बेसिक about silver, let us see its production and global reserves. So India's silver production. So according to Indian Minerals Yearbook 2023, India produced 7,13,768 kgs of silver, and in 2023 में इसका जो प्रीवियस ईयर से जो प्रोडक्शन था, it was risen by 10%. And also silver in India is primarily recovered as a byproduct and not from standalone silver mines. So you have to remember that there are no separate silver mines जहाँ से हम silver extract कर सकते हैं. So they are extracted from as a byproduct from other mines and other mines. That is, India has no major native silver deposits. Silver occurs with lead, zinc, copper, gold ores. And also remember this, and also the silver resources are estimated at 30,000 to 67 tons metal content, with Rajasthan accounting for 86% of ore resources. So it is not a standalone, it does not recovered from standalone silver mines, so it is recovered from byproduct. And इसका state wise distribution reserves are, सबसे ज़्यादा राजस्थान में you will get, after then Karnataka, then Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. So these are top 3 states of reserves. Rajasthan dominates by 86%, Karnataka by 5%, Jharkhand by 4%, Andhra Pradesh by 3%. So remember this, and let us have a quick glance about its mines. Rajasthan में you will get Khetri, Zawar, the Rampura, Sindesar Khurd and Agucha. In Karnataka you will get Hutti gold mines. And let us see about total global silver reserves. Globally reserves, there are total 5,50,000 tons of global silver reserves according to USGS 2023. सबसे ज़्यादा you will get in Peru, then Australia, China, Poland. Peru में it is 18%, Australia में 17%, then China में 13%, Poland 12%. And other top nations, that is Russia में 8%, US Bolivia में you will get 4% each, and Chile में it's 5% and Mexico 7%. So this was all about this country and state wise reserves. Now let us see silver के ores and minerals. So silver, that is ores and minerals of silver, that is argentite, then chlora, gyrite, then polybasite, perovskite and tetrahydrite. And then there is one more, that is galena, at PBS. So this galena, that is PBS, it is a primarily lead ore, but it is also significant natural source of silver. मतलब lead भी होता है इसमें और silver भी रहता है. So it is often mined as silver also and lead also. Remember this galena. Now let us see industries in silver production. So there are mostly 3, that is HZL, then Hutti Gold Mines and NMDC, that is Hindustan Zinc Limited, then Hutti Gold Mines of Karnataka, then National Mineral Development Corporation. So in this HZL, It is the largest silver producer company and it contributes mostly 90% of total output. And this Hutti Gold Mines produces small quantity of silver as a byproduct. Now let us see the silver production. According to World Silver Survey 2024, in 2002 में the silver production was 47 टन, फिर बाद में 2024 में it became 700 टन. So total तो कितना 4 times increase हुआ silver production. And 2024 में you'll see production was 700 tons, फिर consumption was 8100 tons. So you can see here supply gap, मतलब demand ज़्यादा है, supply कम है. अभी लेट अस सी ओवरऑल सिल्वर प्रोडक्शन, दैट इज़ मेक्सिको में सबसे ज़्यादा है, दैट इज़ ऑफ 63,000 टन्स. फिर बाद में चाइना, देन पेरू, देन रशिया, देन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. फिर चाइना का इट इज़ 3600 टन्स, फिर पेरू का है 3400 टन्स, फिर रशिया इज़ ऑफ नियर अबाउट 1400 टन्स एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया 1200 टन्स एंड इंडिया का सिर्फ दैट इज़ 700 टन्स. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिल्वर प्रोडक्शन. और ऊपर जो देखा था इट इज़ सिल्वर रिजर्व्स. सो सिल्वर रिजर्व ज़्यादा पेरू में है एंड सिल्वर प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा मैक्सिको में. एंड यू हैव टू नोट दैट there are no native silver deposit except the small and unique barrack deposits in Rajasthan. एंड ये ऊपर हमने डिस्कस किया है. एंड लास्ट थिंग, silver is recovered as a co-product and also as a byproduct and it is not in standalone form. So co-product you will get from KGF complex and Hutti gold mines in Karnataka, और जो byproduct रहता है वो smelting and refining of lead, zinc, copper concentrates at Chandiriya and Debari smelters in Rajasthan. फिर तुंडू, Maubandar smelters in Jharkhand and Vishakhapatnam smelters in Andhra Pradesh. So this was all whole news about silver. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.